Hello, how you doing, family? Okay, let's get started. So I know a lot of you people here. Some of them you've been here for quite a long time, and some can be new followers. So first, I appreciate your support. And second and third, before I get started, just to let you know, I started my online shops where you can purchase various products like merchandise, cosmetics for the women. Because I love you so much. So cosmetic for the women and also underwear for the women, like a bra and other varieties of underwear that you can get on my website. And for the brother too, I didn't forget about you. So it's more of the beauty online shops. See, and most of these shops, I get a lot of my manufacture from one of the biggest manufacturer, in the world that they process my design. I design it, and then they produce all these items. So I'm just waiting for my supplier. Some of these products, they come from overseas. Some of them come from Japan, and other countries. And some of the products, is manufactured locally. So I can support a lot of brothers and sisters locally, so they can get job too. And the reason why I started these projects, so I can also provide, some jobs, so for our people, so they can stand on their 2 feet. You see, so don't forget to support me, because when you support me, it's very, very valuable, because I got a lot of programs too. Face, why would you have to purchase these products? Because this product has a high quality. See, very high quality, like merchandise. For the brother, have a hood on. You can have a hood. Very good vase for the summer. And don't forget to buy some stuff for your women, like cosmetic for the sister here also. Like I said, I got very beautiful cosmetic, which have some variety of smelling, different type of smelling, and also underwear, different sizes. You see, so I'm just waiting for my manufacturer to supply it to me. But so long, you can just go and visit a website, and you can support your king, because I love you so much. That's what I do all this program from the bottom of my heart. So thanks so much for your support. Now this has nothing to do with this, but you've been following me for so long, and you always want me to win. That's what I thought, like, okay, let me share it with you. Now let's get started. So we have a question here to see the supply function of a certain products. Which products? Oh, Mtwana Cosmetic online shop. And all these products, like I say, these my products on my online shop. And so very soon I'm gonna open some stores on various cities. Okay. So which products? They say a supply function of a certain products. Which products? Online shop which offers some products, cosmetic. Okay, this is the function where P, we know the price, and Q is the quantity. What do they want? Find the producer surplus or producer surplus if the market price is 200. This is easy. So what you have to do, draw your graph. Okay, so we're gonna draw a graph here. It's a rough sketch. Okay, so we know P, so this is going to be P on the vertical, and Q on the horizontal. So now, let's allocate. Now look, when P is intersect means when it cuts at P. Let's do it like this. Let me do it like this. Let me. Okay. You know why? Because look, a supply function is always like this. This is a supply function. Supply function. But a demand function, for demand, is always like this. This is a demand function. I'll show you now. You see what is happening very soon. So this function we know by nature is going to go this way. This is supply function. Now let's go. So this is here. I want to allocate on how it's going to cut at Y, how it's going to cut at X. So cutting at X means it's X intercept, and cutting at Y meaning Y intercept. But for now we don't have X intercept, Y intercept. Meaning this is going to be like Y, and this is going to be like an X. Now, when Y intercept, or in other words, when P, now we don't talk about Y is about P, but in your head, mathematically, this is Y. When Y intercept, Q equal to 0 means X equal to 0. So it's going to be 16 plus 2 times 0, which is going to be 0. So P equal to 16. So let's assume 16 somewhere here. So this is 16. And this is 16. Now we want to get X intercept. When X intercept, which is Q intercept, when the Q intercept, P equal to 0. So this is going to be equal to 0. So if this is equal to 0, then we're going to have 0 equal to 16 plus 2Q. And then this can go over, so it's going to be negative 2q equal to 16. Divided by negative 2, divided by negative 2. This and this cancels, so q equal to, divided by negative 2, negative 2. Q equal to negative 8. Oh, so q equal to negative 8 means negative 8 is somewhere here. Q, negative 8, let's say somewhere here. This is a rough sketch. Okay, it's just rough sketch. So this is going to be negative 8. So we can just connect this graph and say, oh, and this is for p equal to 16 plus 2q. So now they give us some data, you know, which data? They say p equal to 200 or p equal to 200. Price, or if this 16, 200, this is a rough sketch, means let's say somewhere here 200. If this 200 connected until you touch the line, when you touch the line and then shade it. So when p equal to 200, which is given, we want to know what happened to the q. So let me take my 200, plug in here. So it's going to be 200 equal to 16 and then plus 2q. So I'll take this over, it's going to be 200 minus 16, it's going to be 184 equal to 2q because this is going to come here. Okay, divide by 2, divide by 2. This and this cancels, so my q equal to 92. If you divide this, it's going to give 92. So when this 200, our q is going to be 92 here. So you can just do this. Dot, 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 dot. See? So now they say find the producer surplus. So to get this producer surplus is easy because you just have to find this area here. That's a producer surplus. So let me get this producer surplus. So I can just erase this part here. Producer surplus equal to a half. Okay, a half. This is a triangle. So triangle, we say a half times base times the height. So a half times. So this part here, this we call B. This we call B. For the supply function, when you cut out price or vertical, this is B. So I'm going to say a half times this length here. But what is this length? This one P, because this is P. P minus, because we must take 200 minus 16. So we can have this length here. So P minus B times this length. But what is this length? This is what we call Q naught. So 0 to Q naught. So you can say Q naught minus 0. So the distance from here to here, because this is 0 region, Q naught minus 0. Q naught minus 0. But what is Q naught minus 0? Q naught minus 0 equal to Q naught. So this I can just say simple as a Q naught. Okay, so now we say price surplus, producer surplus equal to a half 200 minus 16. So this is P equal to 200. So I can plug this minus 16 times Q naught. Q naught means 92. So this is going to be 184. So a half times 184 times 92. And when you multiply, this is going to be 1, this is going to be 46. And this answer, when you multiply 184 times 46, is going to give you 8464. So producer surplus equal to 8464. Okay, 8464. Oh, so okay. So that's how you get your producer surplus if the market price is 200. So if the market price is 200, and then the producer surplus is going to be 8464. So this question here we're done. Now let's go to this question right here. Okay. Now I'm going to erase this one so I can have a space and do question number 2. Okay, let's go. So like I say, you know, I know you want me to win so much, so don't forget to give me support. You know, we're doing a lot of projects too, you know, giving back to community, because the reason why I started this online shop, so I can provide also, first it's going to start online, and then after that, when it's sustained, and then I'm going to open some various stores, so where you can just go and visit the store, you know, have some great time. And also with the store, meaning I'm gonna provide employment for the people, you know. That's what's happening at this point. So the aim is just to provide employment for people who are struggling. You know, it's gonna start slowly and then goes as fast as it can. Okay? So your support is needed. It's very, very crucial. And I need your support so we can support each other. Now let's go. Question number 2. Given the demand function, so we have a demand function here. Demand function 16 minus 0.2. So you see, the demand function is like this. That's a demand function, but for a previous supply function. Okay, where P and Q are the price and quantity. Of course, this price, this quantity Q, respect. Calculate the arc price of elasticity. Look, this is very careful. The arc price of elasticity. So don't stress yourself like, oh man, what is this arc price of elasticity? Just find the price of elasticity. So we have a formula for price of elasticity. We say price of elasticity equal to negative 1 over B times price over quantity always. This is a formula for it. But now look how they trick you a little bit. They say the price decreased from 50 to 40. So this one call it price 1, this called price 2. So what you do here, you can't just say only 1P. So we're going to say negative 1 over B multiply. You have to add these two prices. Say price 1 plus price 2. So for that case, even this quantity is not just going to be only one quantity. Because if the price change from 50 to 40, even this quantity also is going to change. Means see, when the price equal to 50, see, and the quantity is going to change. For example, now let's find quantity 1. When the price equal to 50, let's plug in here. Price equal to 50. So this is going to be 60 minus 0.2. So this is going to be quantity 1 because this is going to be the price 1, P1. Now, let's get the quantity 1. So this is going to come over, it's going to become 0.2. Quantity 1 equal to 60. Take 50 over minus 50. This is going to be 10, 0.2, quantity 1 divided by 0.2 divided by 0.2. This in this cancel, so quantity 1 equal to, it's going to be 100 over 2 equal to 50. Plug this in calculator, it's going to give you 50. Or you can just simply say 1 decimal 100, it's going to be 100 divided by 2 equal to 50. So when the price 1 equal to 50, see, when the price 1 equal to 50, quantity 1 also is going to be equal to 50. Oh, so here we're going to have what? Quantity 1, and also when the price now, if it's go to 40, we want to see what's going to happen. If it's equal to 40, we plug here price equal to 40 because we want to know what is the quantity 2. Because quantity 1 will now means this is going to be price 2 now, 40. You see what I'm saying? So 40, okay? 40 equal to 60 minus 0.2. This is going to be price, quantity 2. Now take this over because this negative is going to come, it's going to become positive. And this is going to be 60 minus 40 because this is going to go over, it's going to become negative. 0.2, quantity 2 equal to 20. Divided by 0.2 divided by 0.2. This and this cancels, so quantity 2 equal to 1 decimal is going to become 200. So this is going to be 200 over 2, which equal to 100. 100. So quantity 2 equal to 100. So we can plug. We have everything now. Price 1, price 2, quantity 1, quantity 2. And then the only thing we don't have is B. B is this value here. This is A and this is B. So B equal to 0.2. See, because how do you know that? Look, you compare. This is P equal to 60 minus 0.2 Q, right? You compare with the standard equation of it, the price of demand. We say P equal to A minus BQ. So what is your B? Your B is this one. 0.2 or 0.2. So our B also we have. So we have all the value. Okay, so I can just erase here and plug all the value. Q1 50, or I can just plug in here, say equal negative 1 over B. What is a B? B equal to 0.2 right here. 0.2 times P1. What is a P1? So I can just put a bracket P1. Price 1 we have 50 to 40. So 50 plus 40. And then quantity 1 plus quantity 2, 50 plus 100. 50 plus 100. Plus 100. So I can just simply plug in a calculator, or see, let's make some space here. So price of elasticity equal to negative 1 over 0.2. This is going to give us 90, and this is going to give us 150. So take a calculator. I have my calculator with me here. Plug. Okay, my scientific calculator here. I'm gonna plug here. Okay, fraction negative 1 times 90. The second, guys, and then over 0.2 times 150. Okay, negative 3. Okay, so this is gonna give us negative 3. So for that case now, I got the arc of price elasticity. So the arc of price elasticity equal to negative 3. So this equal to negative 3 ounce. Okay, like I say, thanks a lot for your support. It's very, very important. Don't forget to visit my online shops, and you can order the overseas stuff, okay? Because it's very, very crucial that you have to look different, and you have some modern things, okay? And smell good, look beautiful like how you are. I love you, that's why I do all these products, okay? I love you so much. And thank you for all your support, and subscribe, share this video to a lot of people, because when you share it means you're setting somebody out there from not failing, because if failing means stress, confusion, depression, okay? This is why I'm here, to do my best and give for my soul. Thanks a lot for your time. Peace. I'll see you soon. Peace. I'm out.